गोंयांत मनशांची तस्करी जाता ही वस्तुस्थिती आसा ही आमी न्हयकारपाक शकना. ह्या बाबतींत पुलिशेन चड जागृत जावपाक जाय. जाल्यारच 2019 मेरेन ह्या सगळ्या पासून गोंय मुक्त जातलें असो विश्वास गोंय पुलिशेन उक्तायला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
When there is a human trafficking in Goa, it's a fact that trafficking is there. We can't close your eyes and say it's not there. We have to open our eyes and take steps to ensure that trafficking is prevented. Now, in this aspect, police, prosecutors, judiciary, executive magistrates, NGOs, civil society, and media, all of us have to work together. That's our plan. I suggested let's all work together and make a plan that by 2019 Goa will be free of child sexual abuse. Goa will be free of child labor. I think we can make a target. Your media is very important. Get everybody together and say we will pass on any information about any trafficker, any exploitation to the police immediately, make the police accountable and work along with them. We can do that.
You have given a lot of info to the police officials in the state. You have also received feedback from them. How it is?
I think it's a very prospective police system here. Very dynamic police system here, Goa. Unlike many other states, they are trained, they are competent, they know the law, they have the skills also. Therefore, it's a right place where people can start taking a decision forward, make 2019 target and work on.
Basically, he just said just to motivate the officers. It's a very, very challenging task. Although we'll make out efforts to ensure, at least to contain the problem. No problem can be eliminated overnight in a time-bound manner. But it was just a way to motivate the Goan police officers that they should work hard and try to ensure that Goa is free from all these social ills, basically. That is what the speaker actually wants. Of course, our officers will really work hard and they will develop the information and then try to prosecute as many persons as possible.
When you talk about such type of cases, what is the difficulty that police officials do find in the state of Goa?
You see, basic difficulty now is that the criminal, the antisocial elements are making use of information technology. Earlier it used to be through telephonic lines. Now they are soliciting business on websites, and we had written to the Ministry of Information and Technology that there are certain websites which are promoting sex tourism. So somehow, as the policy stands today, our request was not within that purview of the policy because it did not have a direct correlation with the national security. So only those websites which are threat to the national security, only those can be closed down by the department.